today's video, I'm going to be giving you step by step on how to make 2024 or any new year your weight loss year. Let's go!
Yo, welcome to Kemi's Journey, innovative vlog, the best with style like it's a tourney.
Since 2023 was my weight loss year, I want to make 2024 someone else's weight loss year. And I was like, let me do some humanitarian service, give you step by step on how to get ready for your weight loss goals. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I urge you to stay to the end of the video. Let's get started. Booyah! Quick backstory if you're wondering, why do you think she's befitting? First, my name is Kemi and I'm a weight loss coach. I'm also an image consultant. On my channel, I talk about styling ideas and I also help women like me to lose weight, look and feel their very best self. So if that sounds like content that you might be interested in, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and just subscribe for good vibes. Obviously, as you can tell, I exude and radiate good vibes, good energy, because good recognizes good. So definitely subscribe and join me on my journey to helping as many women as I possibly can to discovering their very best self by helping them lose weight, feel their best, and also I give styling idea for any body size that you are. So if you're watching this video, it's probably the end of the year, and I know with every new year everyone is making new year resolutions, especially specifically as to how to lose weight. Lose weight is the #1 search thing every new year. Everybody's making resolutions. I did, I'm guilty, and it got me the results. Quick backstory, if you didn't know and you're just stumbling on this video for the very first time, I lost 50 pounds in the year 2023 in the space of 5 months. And I've also had 3 kids and I've been able to lose weight, maintain the weight back to back. So I believe that I'm capable of sharing some of my backstories, ideas, mistakes, and all that good stuff. So the first thing that I want to talk about is to get your mind ready. Yes, it starts with the mind. So start preparing mentally for this journey, because this is a journey, and don't expect that it's going to be a linear journey. It's going to have its ups and downs, right? So I need you to start preparing yourself mentally. Right? Another way to prepare yourself mentally is to start journaling. Get your journals out. I'm going to be linking some Amazon fitness journals. You don't necessarily need those journals, but I need you to have a place where you can definitely document your progress, what you're feeling each day. Just looks like to me. I mean, I'm sharing my progress with you. I'm hoping that you want to journal if you're someone that is looking forward to also sharing some of the mistakes that you probably make on your weight loss goals, or some of the things that actually work for you, or just to know where your mind was at. Because sometimes, with weight loss, you might gain the weight, lose the weight, just to also have a document to be able to refer back to, so that if you start to feel discouraged or you're not unmotivated at any point in your progress, you can go back and look at this journal and say, this is where I was, this was how I was able to achieve these goals. You're going to be documenting your weight loss, you're going to be stepping on the scale, you're going to be measuring and keeping yourself accountable. So I would say start preparing yourself mentally. The #1 step. Anyone who has ever lost weight will tell you for free that weight loss starts with the mind. Okay, it starts with your head. That's why some people are always like, when I wasn't ready to lose weight. I have some people where I have coached in the past and I was like, okay, come, I'm ready to coach you. They're like, you know what, coach, I am just not ready right now. So I can definitely get that. You have to be in the right frame of mind to lose weight. All right, #2, you definitely want to start to ask your why. Why do I need to lose weight? Is it because I have a wedding coming up? My birthday is coming up? Do I want a healthy lifestyle? Or is it for health reasons? Any reason at all, but you need to know your why. I always say, ask your why, your how, your what, your when. All right. So the #2 thing that I want you to take as your next step is to start to write, what is my why, my how, my what, my when. Your why is the reason why you want to lose weight. It could be for a wedding coming up, it could be for an event, or it's your revenge weight loss. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you had a breakup and you want to lose weight to just revenge and to just remind yourself of who the heck you are. Or you have a wedding, your birthday, or for a healthy lifestyle, or just for a lifestyle change, or you just want to feel and look better in clothes, which is my why, right? The number 2 thing is your how. How do you want to go about achieving this goal? Do you want to go on a juicing diet? Do you want to eat 1 meal a day? Do you want to do alternate day fasting? Do you want to do intermittent fasting? What is your how? How do you intend to achieve this weight loss goal? I need you to write it right now. All right, so that is your how. Using the way you have to obviously document your how. When I'm asking of your how, I'm asking of also the exercises that you're going to be doing in this process. What exercises are you going to be doing? Are you going to be lifting weights? Is it a cardio workout routine or exercise routine, or walking, making sure that you hit 10,000 steps each day? What is your how? When is going to be your rest day? Are you going to have cheat days or cheat meals? Whatever is your how. Now those are the questions that you should answer in your how. All right, your when is how long do you have? What is the duration that you have to be able to smash these weight loss goals? Okay, what duration of time? If you want to do it in 5 months, you have a 4-month mark, 3-month mark. That is your when. I intend to lose weight by August of this. That is your when. So that is like the time frame. So that's what I put as my when. Your what, this is very important, is what are some of the habits that you know you're currently doing that you need to get rid of? What are some of the habits that you know that you need to quit to get you to the place where you need to be, right? In order to get, new results, you have to get rid of certain old habits. What are some of the lifestyle changes that you know that you need to make? If you're guilty of eating, late at night, eating unhealthy snacks, binge eating, emotional eating, or you know that you have a sugar addiction, whatever it is that you know, or you don't drink enough water, you don't get enough exercise going on, whatever it is that is your what do you know that you need to change in order to get you the result that you need to do. You know. So the third step is to acquire knowledge. Do your research. Knowledge is power. Anytime that I wanted strongly to lose weight, I started to research. I started to surround myself with content. You will see the content that I was researching, how people lost weight. I love to hear people's stories, especially their struggles, because at that moment I was struggling. So I wanted to know that I wasn't going crazy. I wanted to know that other people have experienced this struggle where I wanted to give up. So get knowledge, surround yourself with content that empowers you on your journey. Go and subscribe to other YouTube channels that teach you about weight loss, how they share their own struggles, whatever they did to overcome those obstacles, those impediments on their way. So get knowledge, research. I'm going to be linking a variety of articles, information, all my videos where I elaborate as to my struggles, how I was able to lose weight, because this has been a journey for me. This is your life, so take power, take action. Research around the diet options, what exercises help you lose weight faster. Get some knowledge, girl. Empower yourself. Knowledge is key. Get an accountability partner. I've said this for too long. Get people with the same mindset. Get an accountability partner. I also have a weight loss group where I help women lose weight. If you feel like, oh my God, I'll be able to help you, you can definitely schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, a free consultation. Just click the link below and I'll be more than happy to help you on your journey. All right, if you know that you don't want to get a coach, get yourself an accountability partner. Look around in your circle. If you've ever heard anyone that says, oh my God, I need to lose weight in this new year, I need to make some lifestyle changes, get closer to that person, just for the purpose of, you might not necessarily be looking for a friend, but just a friend, a friend for the same goals. You guys are sharing similar goals. Now you have something in common, which is losing weight, right? So you guys can stay accountable to each other. So definitely get an accountability partner. And if you need me to share how you can maximize an accountability partner or an accountability group, I'll definitely share based off of my wealth of knowledge and my experience handling accountability groups. I'll be more than happy if you want another video dedicated to that. The next step that I want you to do is to focus on getting rid of one bad habit each time. So I don't think that you can just make drastic changes, but I believe that each week, make sure that you say, okay, this week I'm going to focus on making sure that I hit my water intake, right? So each day you're consuming the number of gallons of water that you want to consume each day. If it's 8 glasses of water or 3 gallons of water, whatever it is that you want to consume each week. If it's dedicating next week to making sure that you are consistent with your exercise routine. The way I start is I always make sure that I'm consistent with exercising. After that, I then switch to making sure that my diet is as clean as possible before I now get into my water goal. I feel like my water goal is always the most difficult thing for me to change. I love to work out naturally, so if exercise is the most difficult thing for you to do, you could leave that as last. Make sure that you focus on your diet first, which I personally think is the most important thing, then your exercise, then your water intake. Make sure that you're getting enough sleep. Make sure that you set your alarm that 9 p.m. I'm going to bed. Make sure you set your alarm 6 p.m. I'm having my last meal. Whatever it is, make sure that you focus on each lifestyle change each week. Don't just make a drastic change. Now, okay, tomorrow I'm going to start to lose weight. I'm going to make sure that I get my water intake. My diet is going to be intact. It's just going to be too much for you, and then you just fall back into depression. You'll be discouraged, and yeah, you're going to go back to square one. So yeah, we don't want that. The next and final point that I want to talk about is meal prepping. Right now, you must have already decided what diet plan, what changes you need to make to your lifestyle, right? So start preparing your meals. Meal prepping is the #1 way to get you ahead of the game. If you want to be successful in your weight loss goals, start meal prepping. Prep ahead, because chances are as soon as you open the fridge, the options that you have in your fridge, in your house, in your pantry, those are the meals that you're going to be sticking to. And one of the most difficult things for people is, you know, their meals, their diet. If we're being honest, it's not your fault. Each day we're faced with, you know, pizza ads, one unhealthy option ads or the other. Our eyes is constantly feasting on ice cream ads. Come to think of it, I don't ever see like ads or adverts containing, you know, healthy options, how you can have access to meal prepping plans. We are always faced constantly in the media with unhealthy options, right? So the #1 trick is, I'm just speaking from my experience, I'm willing to eat healthy, but that meal already needs to be prepared by the time I'm hungry. But chances are, if that meal isn't prepared at the time I'm hungry, I'm going to just reach out for what I am seeing right now, right? It takes a different level of discipline to not reach out for the unhealthy snacks. I say this to say, just change, you know, your meals, your groceries that you have stocked in your fridge. I think that is also going to help. So chances are whatever it is you're reaching for is already a healthy option. But if you can plan for at least a week, start preparing over the weekend, shop for your groceries, meal prep on Sundays, get your meals ready, label them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're good to go, basically. So those are some of the steps that can get you started to smashing your weight loss goals in the new year. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick one, but I'm hoping that it helped someone today. If it did, definitely let me know in the comment section. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Booyah!
Yo, Luke's coming on Kemi's journey. You're welcome to Kemi's